Anyway,
so what are we
let's
talking
talk about trains. So, well, let's start from the restock. Actually, this
This is
NG7.
the Quarry Hunslet. This is the NG7, right? Narrow Gauge 00.
Wow, you're prepared. So, meaning that
you know, trains is my strong suit, right?
I know, mine is too. So, I thought to bring this here because I arrived a few minutes ago, and it's very rare to actually see some of those in stock because they come in and disappear virtually before we even get to unbox them often enough.
They do, don't they?
And I thought to open one up.
Do you want to go to the overhead?
Let's go on the top camera because they have a fantastic level of detail, of course.
That's why I'm not allowed to touch them as a rule.
Yep. So that's why I'm here. Let's see.
See,
there we go. We're ready. Oof, we're touching it. So the idea of this, we spoke about those many times, really, but it's a O scale on, I guess,
narrow gauge
HO00 track.
Yeah,
just to simplify there's a lot more intricacy, but the idea is that you have a bigger train that runs on a space of a smaller layout, effectively.
Well, you can have tighter radius.
That's right.
Right, that makes the layout smaller, but you can still have all your 00 HO accessories.
Correct.
And scale.
Correct.
Or O, sorry.
Oh,
or your
exactly.
O. So huge. I'm going to get it wrong.
143. 143.5, I think.
143.5. So you can have all your 143 scale models. Die cast.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's right. So you see, the wheelbase, in a sense, is typical of HO00.
Yeah.
But the body is 143 scale, O scale.
Beautiful, huh?
And what it comes to there is much more realistic level of detail. As you can see, all the piping, even the instrument inside is probably impossible to see from camera.
All the valve work and everything, right?
Yeah,
we're going to have to go macro.
Let me see. Here we go.
Hope you washed your nails.
Yeah, I have.
Oof.
I have not. And it's got some lovely gold finishing, like, I guess, going to be. It's not actually gold,
brass
and
copper.
Right? And as you can see, like the detailing, I was going to say that
it's a beautiful thing.
All the detailing at the front here.
Mm.
And as I said, we get those in stock quite often, but they tend to vanish very quickly. So these arrived literally an hour ago, and I stolen it from the box before.
The pesky customers take it, right?
Exactly, correct. And look at these 2 eyes. Here we go.
I think that's a technical word, 2 eyes.
Yeah.
I think it's probably so they can drive it back.
And there's a nose as well, actually.
I think it's probably so they can drive it in reverse, right? Look out the window.
Yeah, I think so.
I wouldn't know. I'm not a trained driver, but
but
if I was, I would definitely want to look out the back.
This is from Bachmann Narrow Gauge. And
it's a sound fitted one.
This is sound fitted.
And the sound fitting is phenomenal.
Absolutely.
The little 009 sound, I can't believe how loud the volume is, right?
In such a tiny speaker.
How rich the sound is. You would think a tiny speaker, but it's...
in the last couple of years, these trains have come a long way. Sound has been there for some time, but now they start fitting it into very, very small trains. And the smoke as well. So Hobbies...
The smoke generated, right?
Have the smoke generators, which is...